To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then open the chat with the person you want to send a voice message to. In the text box, you will find a microphone icon. Tap and hold it to start recording your voice message. While holding the button, speak your message. Once you release it, the message will be sent automatically. To enable hands-free recording, slide your finger up to the lock icon. You can tap the trash icon to cancel the recording, or tap the send button to send your voice message when you are done. If you tap the pause button during recording, you will see options to play back your message, delete it, re-record, or send it. Your voice message will be delivered to the recipient's chat, and they can listen to it immediately. Sending a voice message allows you to communicate your message quickly and clearly without typing. So that's how you can send voice messages on Facebook Messenger.